Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches. And today I'm going to be unboxing this latest Fat Quarter Club bundle from Fat Quarter Shop. I believe it is probably the Lori Holt bundle. We've been running a little tiny bit behind, but you know what? It's okay. I still love her and I will make it happen. So let's jump right on in and see what we got. All right, if you guys have been watching my channel for very long, you know I love Lori Holt's fabrics. She's got so many different varieties of colors and patterns, and they all work nicely together. And this is Lori's. Look, I don't even have the whole thing out yet, guys. It's so fall. It's so fall. Yay. Okay, so this is featuring fabrics by Lori Holt. It's curated by Fat Quarter Shop, so it is not a specific bundle. So just to give you guys a close-up of the two fabrics, and I will get a close-up shot for you on all of these in detail as we make them. Okay, guys, I wanted to get you up a little bit closer so you can get a great look at these fabrics. These are the August 2024 bundle. We get 12 fat quarters and the pricing is $34.98 plus shipping. So it looks like these are from a couple different collections, and I think they might play nice with our denim and daisies back there. You guys, they're always so pretty before I open them. I have to encourage us to take a peek at that. Let's jump on in. Look at these beautiful fabrics. Okay, so this top one is a nice kind of toast color. I like it. It's got a lot of different square patterns, very geometric, but not super modern. I like that a lot. And then our next fabric is these kind of crosses. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but there's a lighter center. It's almost like a caramel colored center. I'll see if I can catch that on the camera at the end of the video for you guys, but that's really pretty as well. It's funny, these colors almost would look nice with our denim and daisies, kind of that orange and denim color. Now I've had this fabric before. This is one of Lori's. I don't have any selvage that has the print on it. I want to say this is probably Prairie Meadow or Calico, but I'm not 100%. Don't quote me on that. Don't quote me on that, but I like it. I definitely use it a lot in my applique work. And then this is interesting. I cannot quite put into words what that is. It's almost like a little flower, but it definitely has some lines for movement. It's very cute though. I like it. It's a really vibrant green. That'll be perfect for some of the stems and flowers on my applique because I need some more greens. And then I just pretty much love any of her denim fabrics that she has. They always have such cute patterns. This is a flower with a couple extra dots. Very simple, very cute. And then this is fun. I don't know that I've seen this one before either. This may be her new autumn collection. I don't know. This is cute. Let's see. Oh, this is Hometown. Okay. Hometown. That's fun. All right, so there's some pink flowers, some stars, and then we've got a little bit of teal in there as well, and some tans. And I have this pattern in my stash. I've been using it in my applique stuff, so that's perfect. I like it. But these all tie really nicely. And I think this is from Mercantile. Nope, Calico. Calico. Really cute navy and light blue. And this is from B Dots. This is a really pretty pumpkin color if you're doing anything for fall. This is really cute, but then it has these little fuchsia dots. So it just kind of pulls something slightly different than your normal fall, all browns, all lacking vibrance. Now that's cute. I like that a lot too. I don't think I've seen that one before, or at least not lately. Oranges with some whites and then some darker tones in the middle. And then we've got some tan with our flowers. These are kind of outlined in that same pink color again, or fuchsia. And then they've got the dot in the center, but very, very low key. It is not super bright pink. And then last but not least, we've got a Another fun pink tie-in. There's quite a few pink tie-ins in this bundle, so that's interesting. Interesting for sure. I like that. I'm not sure what I would use that on, but I think that would be like the really cute center for a sunflower if you were making the center of an applique sunflower, and then you could do this color pink petals all the way around it. I think that would be really fun. Okay guys, so that's everything that came in the Lori Holt bundle this month. I'm really excited to get this in. As you know, school has started back in, and I've been working on my applique while I'm waiting for kids at co-op classes and other things like that, swim team, and I finally made some more progress on my quilt. I think I've had 5 blocks for like 6 months. Well, that's not true. I think I did the last one in May. But since May, I still have 5 of those same blocks done, and I've done 2 since school started back up. So yay, we're gonna get there. I hope you enjoy watching these unboxing videos or any of my other tutorials. Please do hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And until then, I will see you guys next time. All right, well, in case you're new to the channel, I wanted to add this in at the end, just in case you didn't know what I was talking about. I've been working on these Lori Holt applique blocks. This is just 2 examples of some of the blocks that come in her pattern. She's got some really beautiful patterns, but as you can tell, you need a bunch of different little colors here and there, and it's not necessarily so important that you get the exact line, but that you have that option in color, the depth in color. So anyways, I thought you guys might want to see it. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you next time.